You better watch out, you don't really know who you're dealing with. Oh really? And who exactly are we dealing with? I'm the mother flipping rhinoceros. My bitch fat and the birds on my back and I'm on it. I'm on it. Just proceed to leave conceit, cause I hit you with my photo wild rhino stampede. I'm not just wild, I'm trained, domesticated. I was raised by a rapper, right, dated, subsequently procreated. That's how it goes, is the hip-hop-oponymous. The hip-hop, the common hip-hop-oponymous. My lyrics are bottomless. Call me the hippopotamus, close like the phosphorus, popping off the top of this esophagus, rocking this metropolis. I'm not a large water-dwelling mammal. Where did you get that preposterous hypothesis? Did Steve tell you that perchance? Steve. My rhymes and records that don't get played, because my records and rhymes that don't get made. And if you rap like me, you don't get paid. And if you roll like me, you don't get laid. My rhymes are so potent that in this small segment I made all of the ladies in the area pregnant. Yes, sometimes my lyrics are sexist, but you lovely bitches and hoes, you know I'm trying to correct this. Other rappers diss me, say my rhymes are insane. Why? Why? What? Why? Why exactly? Why? Be more constructive with your feedback, please. Why? 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 Cause I rap a Mario, like me and my car, I'm drinking a cup of tea. There ain't no party like my dynasty party. Hi! I'm the mother flipping. I'm the mother flipping. I'm the mother flipping. Who's the mother flipping? I'm the mother flipping. I'm the mother flipping. I'm the mother flipping. Mother flipping.